Okay, here's a before photo of a client in Santa Fe that had an old kitchen, obviously red painted cabinets. Interestingly, those cabinets were once not painted, and now they're painted is really an example of why you don't paint these cabinets and how long they really don't last for. But then got tile countertops. The door off to the right needed to stay, but then that's a pass through to the behind the refrigerator, takes you to the entry door. We're going to close all that off. And really, the big culprit here is the right-hand side of this photo right here is all enclosed. And we're going to open up that whole wall right here and change the whole flavor of this. The stove stays in the same place. The sink stays in the same place. And here's the after. So we obviously took down this wall. We extended the countertop out to create seating. Beautiful walnut finish on there to go against a stained oak floor. We took that post and had to leave it for structural reasons and wrapped it. The whole house has, and notice the backsplash of the sink is yellow, and she wanted to keep the yellow on the beam to kind of tie that in. That's a stairwell behind there, so we couldn't do anything with that. Stove stayed in the same place. Sink stayed in the same place. Beautiful. I just love these suede countertops. That light is rigged up on the lighting to be for that photo. I think that's a pretty funny photo. We did the hanging pendant lights. We had to do surface mounted lighting because we didn't have access to the electrical in the roof. There's obviously no attic. Another nice little hanging pendant light there, and just notice the whole vibe of it, just the solid surface material and all drawers. So that is a beautiful kitchen that we just finished, and we'd love to help you.